Hey everyone, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan. Thanks so much for coming by. We have an awesome video for you guys today. But before we jump in, if you're interested in a new way to make money, all right, there is an incredible opportunity to make money right here on YouTube by creating a faceless YouTube channel. This is one of my accounts, one of my several accounts where I made over $130,000 in the past year. And in some months, I was able to make over $20,000 in a single month. This month, I made $37,000. So if you wanna learn how to do this, I set up a link below where you guys can learn how to do it. You don't need experience, you don't need a following. It's the best way to make money right now. So click the link below to get started. And now let's get started with the video. Moving on, there's a new ride sharing app where a company is guaranteeing more income for drivers, and this is in Texas. So let's watch this.
Rideshare company guaranteeing more income for drivers is now hoping to gain some ground here in Austin. It has no surge prices and claims to be safer for riders. KXAN traffic anchor Erica Brennis introduces us to Rides.
We designed this company with my daughters and my wife in mind, and then trying to take care of the drivers better.
Steve Wright is the CEO and founder of Rides, a rideshare company that can be found in Austin and 19 other spots around the country.
We came up with a program that the driver really gets to keep everything from the fare, except for, the airport fee or, a little bit of insurance. But everything that can go to the driver does.
So how does Rides pull that off? Well, the drivers pay a subscription fee between $25 to $100 a month. But for right now, they're not charging Austin drivers. James is a full-time rideshare driver, driving for Uber, Lyft, and Rides.
It is a very cost-heavy industry.
So what do you think? They gotta pay to drive. They gotta pay a subscription fee to drive.
Well, I mean, if you make that money back fast, then I don't know.
I feel like the passengers should pay that.
Yeah.
But I don't know. But a lot of drivers, they will say that Uber takes more than 20 bucks, like in a single ride. So, but yeah, that's this one's called Rides, guys. If you're in Texas, maybe try it out. And I mean, they're not charging drivers yet, so I guess that's more of like a long-term plan for them to become profitable. So I'm assuming they have investments.
Yeah.
Investors, because they're not like, they don't need to be profitable yet.